You know say for the back in the day, you know how our style go. If I never out in the open this side, man.
Cha. But that style like, come like a straight violation, like him a try style here. So, you never see him before? How him look?
A straight violation, yes, brother. But I not really him. And him apartheid. As she would have given that power if him can do that. Tell you how the man stay, man. I want tall brother. Tall and beard up face. Him drive one of the white, like the AD wagon them. See it? Him have body.
Tall. Beard. AD wagon, you say?
Yeah.
It's not too dark, kind of a little bit light, oh.
Yeah, man, light skin. Me she, it's true, me say, me chick brother. Me know she da call him name one time. It's either she said Troy or Trevor. Trevor. A that she said.
Trevor Sullivan.
Me know the guy.
So you know I'm a very perceptive person, right?
I'm sure you are.
The other day when you got a call outside the shop when we were talking, was that from your significant other? I'll take that as a yes.
Alright, let me confirm. Yes, it was.
Your entire demeanor changed. You seem a little flustered. I mean, that's a sign of an insecure relationship.
Insecure? Insecure on whose part? Hers or mine?
Both, actually.
And what brought you to that conclusion?
Well, she being insecure and you responding to it.
Well, that's what a man do at times. Sometimes in a relationship. To keep the peace, you just play the game.
And that's the absolute wrong thing to do. That's a recipe for a disaster in any relationship.
And most of my find say it work for me sometime. And you just love it.
That's like putting a band-aid on a wound that requires stitches. After a while, it's gonna turn into an all-out sore.
Don't get me wrong, you know. I look upon it that way sometimes, but I think I want to change it now.
Well, I hope you can handle whatever comes down the line.
What that?
A possible breakup because of conflict and confrontation.
Why you feel so?
Well, because of the field that I'm in, I know that 70% of the time, that's what happens. And because you're suppressing all of those emotions, eventually it's gonna come out. Festering emotions eventually erupts.
You read minds too. I've been there before.
No, I don't read minds, I read behavior. And most of the times, that's what happens. By the way, is she the reason you don't want to do the training sessions with me?
Kingman, you know him? Yo, you see if you know that brother there, more you give him a tough talk for me now because you see what him do the other day. Him could have lose all him 3 points for that, you know. You see the man are going in car. I mean, I don't know what the man are going for 2 big stone me have to move for, you know. And I look, me see the boy come up with like a half a, I think a last one at a time. But it's a big piece of board.
Come to think of it, I could almost say me giving back them 3 points the key. But if you say my draw thing, it reach far higher.
So yeah, I say, him violate you already too. Look on the brother face and see says a troublemaker too, you know. Cause how the brother moving is like, you know when a man a brag, like a man and say, yo, I have your woman already, so what you gonna do about it? I saw the man a moving up. And like me tell you, say me blame she because him should have known from me turn up. Him fi just know say fi talk him. So she may have pre too.
You have a point. Because if she no establish the boundaries, you can't expect him to keep. So in all honesty, even though him really take the piss, you can't even to blame him because she give him that go ahead there, you see?
That may I say. So what kind of violation did go on between you and him?
Church. You know what? They could make sleeping dogs' life, you know.
What was what I say?
However, going forward, how you plan to work this thing out? Obviously, you have a situation here, so we are going to need addressing. Is, I don't know if she tried make a prove a point or what.
King man, I real life, you know. I don't really know how much further may I go with Omega, you know, because you see, some of the movements that I shall make right now kind of questionable to me. You know. And I know I say she never did it for me in the beginning. You know. But you know how life stay, brother. Sometimes some people forward in their life and it kind of seasonal, you know. I rate her, you know. But she just have to make some move right now, because the other day when me and her talk, it's like she showed me say she take a loan from her brother. But she don't want to disclose who the brother is. And right now it look like a full circle that thing here coming up. Because when I look and see how the brother here move, I like him the investor. So it's a kind of tit for tat thing she depend.
Okay.
Maybe because she say, oh, my move with Lana is like she try, you know what I mean? Me do you something, you do me back something kind of style. I mean, I don't know if I can deal with that, brother.